Do you know the story of Thomas Edison, the man who gave light to the world? Today, we will learn English through his inspiring story. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and use this lesson to improve your English and your life. Edison was not a genius child. In fact, his teachers said he was slow. One day, young Edison brought a letter from school to his mother. She read it and cried. She told him, "Your son is a genius. The school is too small for him. Please teach him at home." Later, Edison discovered the truth. The letter actually said, "Your son is mentally weak. He cannot continue in school." But because of his mother's belief, Edison studied at home and never gave up. Edison failed many times. He tried thousands of experiments before inventing the light bulb. People asked him, "Why don't you stop after so many failures?" He answered, "I did not fail. I just found 10,000 ways that do not work." This story teaches us two powerful English sentences. Never give up. Failure is part of success. Repeat with me. Never give up. Failure is part of success. Now, let's practice in real-life sentences. I will never give up on learning English. Failure is part of success in my study. Remember, Edison changed the world not because he never failed, but because he never stopped. He used every failure as a lesson. 3 tips we can learn from Edison. Believe in yourself, even if others don't. Learn from failure instead of fearing it. Keep working until you succeed. Now, imagine, you are learning English. You try speaking, but you make mistakes. Don't stop. Mistakes are your 10,000 ways. Each mistake is progress. Let's finish with this. Edison once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time." So today, remember, one more try, one more lesson, one more step. This is how you will succeed in English and in life. Write in the comments, "I will never give up on English." And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire more learners. See you later! Goodbye!